Now I have seen that some of you fear to go forward for our king. If it were the brave days of Osei Tutu, Okomfo Noke, Apokoa, chiefs would not sit down to see their king taken without firing a shot. No white man could have dared to speak to the chief of Asante in the way the governor spoke to you chiefs this morning. Is it true that the bravery of Asante is no more? I cannot believe it. It cannot be. I must say this. If you, the men of Asante, will not go, then we will. I shall call upon my fellow women, and we will fight the white men. We will fight until the last of us falls on the battlefield.